I have surprise for Ada. Hope you like it. Her new bike. Tawagan ako si Ada. Beng! 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 Dito kami sa bahay ni nanay. Beng! 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 Naman sila. Beng! I-close agad ang eyes si Baby Ada, Beng. Sure. Mo kami. Your eyes. Come here. Okay, pasok, pasok. Ayun na. Close your eyes, Baby Ada. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Ay, tabo na yung eyes mo. Muna yung eyes. Close your eyes. Come here, come here, come here. Beng. Come here. Ay, stand here. Stand, stand, stand. Stand, stand, stand. Stand, sige lang. Stand, stand. Dira siya. Stand. I have something for you. Your new bike. Are you happy, Bing? Wow, nasa new bike. Open. Say. Are you happy?
Say to Papa Bear.
What should you say to Papa? Baby Ada, what should you say? Okay. Are you happy or not? Are you happy? Oh, wow. Okay.
Open, Mama.
Pagami iyahang kon be.
Mama, open, Mama.
What should you say?
Papa.
That is for you ha, for your birthday gift ha, ni Papa sa iyo ha, okay? Anuhin mo ha, kasi okay. This is your second bike.
Mama, Iskis ako.
Sige, mag-bike ka ngayon ha.
Iskis. Oh.
Sige daw, itry daw be. Kung kaya ba niya maabot. Para itong ano be, bangos be. Please. Sige daw be, try be. Watch si Papa if marunong ka ba mag-bike niyan. Sige, go. Taas lang. Taas. I think taas na siya ha. Dapat gamay. Di na naman naglingkod. Wait. Pagamya natin yung bike be. Go. Up. No. Ride your bike. Please, ride your bike. Sige. Doon sa bangko. Upuan. Yan. Oh. Go. No. Ganito kasi yan, oh. It's a bell. Beep, beep. No. Go. Ride. Down. Go. Wait lang. Oh, galing. Galing. Okay. Careful. Watch. Oh, ang galing. Dako pa lang, Bing, no?